Alright, this is a 2005 Toyota Sienna, and it comes with a V6 engine, 3.3 liters. Okay, this engine is in a lot of Toyota vehicles, but just in case you're working on one of these engines or this particular 2005 Toyota Sienna and you're wondering where the engine number might be, I want to show you the location for the engine number. Alright, so first of all, you have to approach from the front of the vehicle. Okay, now you look just beside the exhaust on the engine body. This is just behind the electric fan. So you look on the engine body beside the exhaust and you see the engine name, which is 3MZ. Now by the side of this 3MZ is a flat surface, and that is where the engine number is. So this is where the engine number is written. For this vehicle, I need a good rag or a spray to clean the surface, to be able to have a good visual of the engine number. Well, this is where the engine number is, just by the side of the 3MZ on the engine body. So that's where you find your engine number for any 3MZ Toyota engine, and pretty much 1MZ too. 1MZ, 2MZ, their engine number locations are usually the same. Alright, peace. Thank you for watching.